Hello everyone. This video discuss Air Arabia Misor baggage allowance Egypt. So Arabia Egypt baggage allowance. So this is the video thumbnail. Here the baggage allowance for Air Arabia flight depending from Egypt, often marketed Air Arabia Egypt using the same general Air Arabia policy. One cabin hand baggage free on all fares. Total head baggage allows 10 kg per passenger. This 10 kg including all items you bring on board, your carry-on bag, personal item, handbag or laptop bag, or any duty-free carry-on bag size 55 into 40 into 20 centimeter. Personal item maximum 25 into 33 into 20 centimeter, must fit under the seat. Your cabin bag exists weight size limit. You will need check it in a checked excess baggage charge. Infant under 2 years usually get additional small handbag up to 3 kg for essential infant item. Checked baggage paid optional. Air Arabia lets you choose how much checked luggage you want to during booking or later and manage booking. The allowance are charged per passenger per flight segment. Is typical checked baggage option and flight from Egypt. Passenger departing from the Cairo and many Egypt routes usually get to standard 30 kg checked baggage include. Other common prepaid option are 20 kg 1 pieces, 30 kg 1 pieces, 30 kg 2 pieces, 40 kg 2 pieces. Maximum weight per single checked 32 kg. Maximum size 158 centimeter. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.